YouTube, happy Independence Day if you're here in the States. It's the 4th of July, and me and Kirsten are here, and we're going to be trying firework Oreos. Do you want to give the description of what these are?
It looks like it just has pop rocks in it or something, which sounds interesting.
Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about these, so I guess...
It's got a lift tab on it, so there you go.
So yeah, there's a lift tab, so it should be easy for me to open. So they look like normal Oreos, and they really just look like normal Oreos. We should do a twist for us so we can show them. You can see a little bit of, it looks like almost like sprinkles, but according to the packaging, it's like pops in your mouth. I'll try this one, and then so you ready?
Yeah.
Thumbs up. That's weird. Just pop rocks.
It's tickly. It's always tickled me. Ah! Oh. Well, that's kind of fun.
Yeah, so once you get it really chewed up, then it's like...
Yeah, I mean, it's just a regular Oreo that pops. Literally.
Yeah, I know there's no way that you guys can hear this, but like they're all like popping, and it's like pop rocks on steroids.
Eh.
Or at least mine was.
Mine not so much.
You only took one little bite though.
I've eaten half the fucking thing.
I put the whole thing in my mouth.
Yeah, my mouth doesn't fit that, and also I don't want to go.
So if a normal Oreo is a 5, we'll just say for scale 1 to 10, I'd give these a 6, 6.5. They taste like a normal Oreo. They taste just like a normal Oreo, but they are definitely worth picking up for a weird experience. Because it's like pop rocks that have no flavor or inside these Oreos. So like after you're done chewing it up, it pops.
I wonder if it would pop in milk.
Might have to try that.
Yeah.
If I try that, and I don't film it, I'll let you guys know in the next video. Maybe there'll be a part 2 of this. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, I'll give it a 6, 6.5. If a normal Oreo is a 5.
Yeah, I'd say about the same. It's a bit more fun than a regular Oreo.
So, happy 4th of July. Be safe. Drink responsibly. Don't blow your hands off. Yeah, the usual. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you comment and down the little doobly-doo below. Tell me, what you think of my videos, what you want to see next. Yeah. Have a good 4th of July. Don't forget to be awesome. Peace.